Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your picture settings on your older model Samsung Smart TV. Now I'm going to press Menu and then go on down to Support. And then we can go to Self-Diagnosis right here and select this. Then we can go to Picture Test. Test your picture. Perform this test when you experience a problem with your TV's pictures. So let's select this. Then, can you still see the problem in this test photo? Go to yes or no. So if we go to yes, select this. Call that number if it is a problem. But if you go to no, it's going to give you some options on what to do. It says check your external devices and connections. Try resetting your picture by selecting Menu Picture Reset. Upgrade to the latest software version. Okay, so let's do both of those. So if we go to Menu now, and then we go to Picture. If we scroll all the way to the bottom here, we can go to Picture Options. If we go below that, we have an option to reset our picture to the factory settings. So if there was like something wrong with the settings in here, just try resetting the picture. Then let's go on down to Support. And there's two things that we can do under here. We can go to Software Update and just see if there's an update for our TV. Maybe that would fix the problem. Otherwise, if we go up to Self-Diagnosis right again, then we can go to Reset the TV. It says reset all the factory settings on your TV, and you will have to type in the code, which is 0000. And just do this and see if this fixes your TV issue as well by factory resetting everything. It would start up like it was new, except for the network settings will still be saved. So go ahead and just reset those options and see if this fixed your TV. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.